Hello my friend, today we are going to see how to make the best sandwich that exists. It is a Monte Cristo, which looks a bit like a croque-monsieur, except that it is covered in egg. Here we go. We start by buttering 3 slices of sandwich bread, on which we will place 3 slices of ham, then 3 slices of cheese. Combine the 3 parts, and we are going to flatten the sandwich a bit. Then I will beat an egg with 2 tablespoons of milk and a pinch of salt. I'm going to come and pass my sandwich and these beaten eggs on all faces and sides. On my frying pan, I melt a little butter over very low heat with a little oil and I will gently color my Monte Cristo sandwich. The fires must be really low for the cheese to melt. It's ready in 2 minutes, and you can really enjoy it. It's a rare pleasure. Bon appétit, my friend. See you very soon.